Hello! Today I want to talk about how to make money with Clickbank and specifically how to use free traffic to make money with Clickbank. So Clickbank is a large online affiliate platform where you can promote products from many different niches. So I'm logged into my Clickbank account here and we're in their marketplace. If we scroll down, you can see all the different categories that have products that you can earn affiliate commissions for. And so today, what I'm going to talk about is how to make money with Clickbank. So the first thing we need to do is we need to select the niche, okay? And I am going to show how to make money with Clickbank by following a simple sales process. And so in this sales process, we're going to be sending traffic. So we need to have a traffic source. We're going to send that traffic through our affiliate link. We're going to get them to click on our affiliate link for the Clickbank product. It'll take them to the Clickbank product sales page. And if they make a purchase, then we earn a commission, which is our goal, to make some money. So today I'm going to be talking specifically about how to use YouTube traffic, a free YouTube channel as your traffic source, and then how to direct traffic through their link to the sales page to earn that commission. So as I just mentioned, first you have to choose a niche. And so this is going to be in a health and fitness niche. I recently started a health and fitness tips YouTube channel. This channel was started about a month ago, 848 subscribers. And as you can see, the videos are doing quite well with lots of views. And I'm using a method, and I'll leave a link below in the description box below, that shows you how to quickly build up a YouTube channel so you can get monetized for AdSense. So as I'm building up my channel right now, I'm not doing necessarily a lot of affiliate marketing, but once I get my channel monetized for AdSense, then I'll come back in and I'll add affiliate links to all these videos. And so we're going to be using a YouTube channel as our free traffic source, getting people to click on our affiliate link, take them to a sales page, and earn a commission. And so I am doing this with faceless videos. If you come to my channel, Health and Fitness Tips, find the logo here, you'll see if you were to open up any of these videos, I'll just go ahead and open one of them up here. You'll see that there is no face in the video. It is just text, it is video content, etc. But there is no, I'm not showing my face on these videos, and that's true of all of these. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, what I do is I go and get some private label rights content. I use a site called bigproductstore.com. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below for Big Product Store. But it's great. I like Big Product Store for several reasons. One, they have tons of products, over 10,000 different products. You can see you can get products in the audio format, ebooks, WordPress, plugins, videos, etc. I mostly use ebooks and article content. And so I'll get a product, and then I will take that product and turn it into a YouTube video without showing my face. And how do I do that? Well, first of all, let me just go in and show you in Big Product Store just some examples. So, for example, this the most recent video, right? 10 foods to boost your immune system. And so if we go in here, and let me go to browse all products, and so you can search. And let's see if I can find this product that I used here recently. I think it was this one actually, Boost Your Immune System. You can see that was just put out in December, and they actually even have a video upgrade, so you could use the video for something else as well. And so with this is the ebook version, and so I took this ebook. It's actually 20 foods. It talks about 20 foods to help boost your immune system. But I made a video about 10 foods because you using just 10 foods, it came out to an almost 18-minute long video, right? And then I go and I use a software called Pictree AI. And I'll leave a link in the description box below. And so you download your PLR product, you download your ebook, and then you essentially just copy and paste. You're going to use script to video, and so when you open this up, you copy and paste the text from that ebook right in here. And then what you do is hit proceed. Now I am just going to use just really quick for an example. I'm just going to put this is an example of, I'm just going to put keto diet, okay? Just for an example. And then when you hit proceed, you decide what size of video you want. YouTube uses this size, and then it's going to find video or image, mostly video clips to go with that. And so over here you would have all your scenes for your video. You'd have each scene showing up in a video clip, and then you can do several things with that clip, okay, down here. Voiceover, trim it, preview it, loop, hide text, etc. You can do lots of different things. And you have all your video scenes down here. Now, I only had a very short piece of text, so it's only showing one scene. But from that ebook, it would break it down almost on a sentence level. And so you would have lots of different scenes. And then you can go through and you can, if I move over here, you can change your visuals. So say, you wanted something different, you can search by word, you can type in what word you want to search by, and it'll pull up different images for you. And so, maybe this is keto diet, so maybe you like this better. This is an example of a keto diet, and it'll put that in. And then once you're done, you just take this video, you can, oops, I'm sorry. If you want, I forgot to say, go to the audio section. You can add a voiceover if you have one. You can use one of their AI voices. Now, if you're trying to get monetized in YouTube for AdSense and you don't want to use their AI voices, and so instead you'd want to upload your own or just have no voiceover. You don't have to have a voiceover either. You could just choose to have some background music. And they got lots of different 15,000 different background tracks that you can use. And then you can choose the style of how you want it to look. So they have some different styles in here you can choose from. And then lastly, your format. Again, if you want to change the size, if you want it to be 1080 versus 720. And then once you're done, you just simply hit generate video. And it'll make a video that you can take and upload to your YouTube channel. Okay, and so this is that video that I made with that talks about 10 foods to boost your immune system. And so again, it's just using stock images. It's using text that people can read. You can make your own voiceover using a program like Audacity. You could hire someone on Fiverr to do a voiceover for you. You could really use almost anything you want to make your own voiceover, but then you upload the video, and as you can see, this was just uploaded yesterday and already has almost 500 views. And so this channel is very close to being monetized. As you can see, it has 848 subscribers as of today. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, I believe I'm at 2,300 hours of watch time, then this channel will be monetized. So it can earn AdSense, ads on the video, as well as I'll come back in and I will put in the description box affiliate links. And so I would just go to Clickbank, find an appropriate product. Now, for the immune system, I'll have to look a little bit, but as you can see, I've started making videos about things that I know there are good Clickbank products for. So I've made several keto videos. So I have 3 keto videos. There's definitely some really good converting keto products on YouTube. I'm sorry, on Clickbank that I'll put into the links into the description box. This, about cultivating grit. That's kind of about self-confidence, overcoming shyness, anxiety, that type of thing. So that'll definitely some products for that. And paleo, smoothie diet is a juicing product that really converts well on Clickbank. that'll go into this one. And so just to summarize, again, what we're doing is we're using free traffic from YouTube. We're making faceless videos where we don't have to show our face. So the video you're watching now where you're seeing my face, sorry about that, you don't have to show your face. You can make these faceless videos, make YouTube channel, get free traffic, and people will click on that affiliate link and they will go to your sales page and you will earn commissions. Now, you can do this very quickly, though I'll put a link in the description box below for a course that teaches you how to monetize your YouTube channels really, really fast. I mean, where you can get monetized for AdSense literally within 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks at the most. I tend to do mine a little slower. I take about 3 to 4 weeks to monetize mine. But now the beauty is I'm earning AdSense from ads on the video since my channel is monetized, and I'm earning affiliate commissions. So I hope this video is helpful in helping you learn how to make money using Clickbank. And please take a look at the links in the description box below. Like the video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe so you can get future content. Thanks so much.